There are people who are breaking the windows. There are Trishuls all around. When that happens, we are...
He claims his car came under attack while covering the 2002 Gujarat riots.
And we came out 50 meters from his residence. We are stopped. Suddenly our ambassador car is stopped and there are people who are breaking the windows with Trishuls.
The incident is absolutely true. Except this didn't happen with Arnab Goswami at all.
Talk about secularism. I have seen hate from up close. And I know that group of people could have killed him.
My first reaction was a mix of amusement and astonishment because it seemed like someone was pulling out a very good act.
I don't remember seeing him at all in Gujarat at that time, but no, he wasn't there. I mean,
when that happens, we are all told to reveal the...
Arnab's bombastic claims busted by those who were actually on the ground. Should Arnab Goswami apologize for having lied about being attacked while covering the Gujarat riots?
Most of what Arnab says is true, except that it didn't happen with him. It actually happened with another journalist. So Arnab, the nation wants to know, now that you've been caught out, will you apologize? Here's the story.
He is one of India's most famous journalists who claims to tell the nation night after night what it wants to know. But is this self-proclaimed conscience keeper of the country always telling the truth?
There are people who are breaking the windows with Trishuls. It's 50 meters from the Chief Minister's house. Suddenly,
in this video, Arnab Goswami is heard talking about his experience of covering the 2002 Gujarat riots in Ahmedabad. This is at an event in Assam in 2013, where Arnab Goswami gives a first-hand account of what happened to him.
we came out 50 meters from his residence. We are stopped. Suddenly our ambassador car is stopped and there are people who are breaking the windows with Trishuls. They are breaking the windows. All the windows are broken. It's almost as if there are Trishuls all around, and I know this is very unsavory, but I must share with you the reality of life as I have seen it. When that happens, we are all told to reveal our religion. It's 50 meters from the Chief Minister's house. How it happened, I don't know.
He goes on to paint a very vivid picture of that one night in Ahmedabad in 2002.
He said, we are journalists. No, what is your religion? What is your religion? And thankfully, let me tell you, there was nobody from a minority community with us. But one of our people, we had our identity cards pressed. My driver did not have a press card. And I was sitting in the front. I have an obsession with sitting in the front seat. I look to my right, and I can see the look on my driver's face. When people talk about secularism, I have seen hate from up close. And I know that group of people could have killed him. He had a tattoo, he put a hair arm or something on his, it's not a tattoo, it's actually just the imprint that you put, which stays with you. He showed that and we walked out.
But here's the truth. Arnab Goswami was not in Ahmedabad covering the riots.
Travel now on the other side of Daryapur's communal divide.
The incident that he so passionately talks about actually happened with Rajdeep Sardesai. Arnab Goswami has just lifted Rajdeep Sardesai's story and made it his own. The fact is that the attack that Arnab talks about did happen, but not to him. The fact is that Arnab was covering the 2002 Gujarat riots, but he was never in Ahmedabad.
A TV anchor who preaches from the pulpit says every night the nation wants to know, now caught in a situation where the nation frankly wants to know from him what happened.
Even reporters who were there in Ahmedabad the night say they were attacked by a mob have all busted Arnab's lies. Gaurav Dwivedi was with Rajdeep in the car with him. So was Sanjeev Singh, who also says that Arnab wasn't in Gujarat when the incident took place. Nalin Mehta, who was also reporting on the 2002 riots, he too says Arnab is lying. Maya Mirchandani, another former NDTV journalist, too confirms that Arnab was actually in Delhi. The mask of lies has now been ripped off, and as Arnab Goswami came under fire, he sent his current employees to come to his defense. This is a tweet by Republic correspondent Prema Sridevi, who claims that Arnab and Rajdeep were covering the 2002 riots together. But even this defense is based on a lie. The picture, in fact, was taken a week after Rajdeep Sardesai and his team were attacked in Ahmedabad. The attack that Arnab claims happened to him. Now, the nation wants to know, will Arnab Goswami apologize for this lie? Bureau Report, India Today.